5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Protect the furnace at all costs!
Our engineer is over there.
Oh no.
Things I love about this game. Black Ox statue.
Rupture wreck.
I'm gonna ask the developers to give paladins an ox statue.
They have healing aggro. They're the only tank that still does.
That's cute. You think I do a lot of healing?
Rupture wreck. Rupture wit.
One more left side. Left's down.
Can't do anything this engineer.
Rupture juice.
We're in the field.
I'm up. Alright, who's got the sword?
Rupture 6, rupture 6.
Penfold, you. Looks good. Marks out. Here we go, guys.
Rupture mid.
Cool.
My bad.
Melee, just go to where I am. I can still reach him. I'm the spectral wolf at the moment.
Rupture time.
Wisp. Marks out.
Rupture wisp.
Here we go.
Rupture again.
X and square.
And skull.
Get skull for. Rupture wit.
In position again. Marks it.
Six has got aggro. Dump your aggro.
Here we go.
What the fuck?
Who killed you?
Toki, get in position. Mark's out. Here we go. Mark's out. Go, go, go.
Keep the consecration down by the.
I mean, it's on cooldown. Like, I use it on cooldown.
Nice boss.
Into the
Alright,
corner.
phase 3, everyone get in the back.
Make sure you get the boss first.
Careful as well to that fire still though.
Shit. Amaranth, get back.
I taunted him. You taunted right after.
Behind the
Drinking,
boss.
Drinking. Hey, move the boss up a little bit though. Boss is too close to the wall, guys.
He's facing the wrong way, dude.
Hold.
I got him anyway.
But boss is way too close to the wall.
I guess the wrong wall that
Jewish.
we were talking about.
Yeah, I got melt. Pull up, pull up.
Hero?
Yeah, yeah.
Wall to that fire still.
Move
When you taunt, say so.
Yep, I got him.
Big healing cooldown.
Keep moving him.
So range try to stay near the melts though.
You never want to keep him in the same space for too long.
Got him.
This is looking good. Got him.
Still moving him or what, guys? Healers? Are you in red?
Always
Keep
keep
going,
moving
keep
him.
going. You're good. You're
Okay.
good.
I got you.
Five seconds. Got it.
I'm dropping a fox.
Move a little bit.
Taking him.
Good job.
Pop whatever cooldowns you got. Oh yeah, that's a.
Good shit, guys.
Alright, wipe it.
Yeah, motherfucker!
Hell yeah.
Nice.
Suck it.
Two-hand axe.
Ooh, that is a nice axe.
Does Blast Furnace drop a weapon?
It drops
For me.
weapon, the best hunter weapon.
Guards, shut these.
Oh my god, pants.
Wait, the best hunter weapon. Crappy loot.
Yeah, the crossbow that drops off this is better than the gun that drops off Iron Maidens. For beast mastery, anyways.
Oh my god, is this crap loot? I still gotta roll for the pen.
No, don't do it.
Me too, I do.
Oh my god.
Mine are still 660.